Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to show you guys a special Andhra delicacy. We're going to make this delicious Gongura prawns. Now Gongura is nothing but sorrel leaves and it's got that lovely sour taste to it. Let me tell you, this dish is just amazing and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I have taken 1/4 kilo of fresh prawns. Wash the prawns thoroughly. Clean them well and devein them. To the cleaned prawns, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a little turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now this simple marination helps the prawns absorb the flavors and enhances the taste of the final dish. Allow them to rest for about 10 minutes. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated prawns and roast them on medium flame. Cook the prawns until the moisture released from them evaporates and they get slightly roasted. This step gives the prawns a beautiful texture and adds an amazing depth of flavor to the dish. I'm using medium-sized prawns today, but you can also use small-sized prawns according to your preference. Since the prawns cook very quickly, roasting them for just about a minute or two is enough. Once done, remove the roasted prawns from the pan and keep them aside. Now take a deep pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add 2 pieces of cinnamon, 4 cloves and 2 cardamom pods. Next, add 1 large onion finely chopped and saute for about a minute. Then add 5 slit green chilies and continue sauteing until the onions turn golden brown. This caramelization gives a wonderful sweetness and richness to the dish. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Keep the flame on low and saute it well along with the onions until the raw smell disappears. Next, add 1 small tomato finely chopped and cook for about 2 minutes until the tomatoes soften and blend well with the masala. Those of you who love Andhra cuisine, let me know what other Gongura recipes have you tried at home in the comment section. Here I've taken about 2 handfuls of washed and cleaned Gongura leaves, which is approximately 1 bowl of leaves. Now this quantity is perfect for 1/4 kg of prawns. Roughly chop the Gongura leaves and add them directly into the pan. There is no need to finely chop them as they will naturally cook down and blend into the masala. As you can see, the Gongura leaves start to shrink and combine beautifully with the onions and tomatoes. Once the leaves are cooked, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well so that the spices coat the Gongura mixture evenly. You can adjust the salt depending on the sourness of the Gongura leaves. Now using a masher, gently mash the Gongura leaves along with the onions and tomatoes. This step helps release all the flavors from the leaves and creates a rich, thick masala base. Once the Gongura mixture is nicely mashed, add the roasted prawns and mix well until every piece is coated with the flavorful masala. Now add about 1 cup of water, which is approximately about 250 ml, and mix everything together. Allow it to boil and let it cook till you get a lovely delicious gravy, so the prawns can absorb all the amazing Gongura flavors. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and a few fresh curry leaves. The fresh curry leaves added at this stage brings that extra layer of aroma and enhances the overall taste of this dish. Cover the pan and cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes. This resting time allows the prawns to soak up the tangy Gongura flavors and become even more delicious. After about 10 minutes, open the pan. Wow, the Gongura prawns look absolutely tempting with that beautiful texture and rich color. That's it, our delicious Gongura prawns is ready to be served. Transfer it to a serving bowl and you can enjoy it nice and hot. The natural tang from the Gongura leaves combined with the sweetness of the prawns and the warmth of the Indian spices creates an irresistible flavor that is absolutely mouthwatering. This dish tastes heavenly with that hot steamed rice. Do try this recipe and enjoy the amazing combinations of prawns and Gongura flavors. I was pretty much drooling while making this dish because I couldn't wait to enjoy it. The best combination, of course, with rice. I may taste and wow, so yummy. Gongura and that prawns, the sourness to it, and of course all those beautiful flavors. Incredibly delicious. I actually can't stop eating right now because it's so tasty. Well, I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed that authentic, special Andhra Gongura prawns. Let me tell you, the flavors are just out of this world. So do give it a try, enjoy and share this beautiful recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our homecookingshow.in website.